Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandy here and I thank you for stopping back by. Today I am here as a part of a challenge that I am hosting along with my YouTube sister Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And this challenge was called, or is called I should say, the Jumpstart Your Weight Loss Healthy Journey 2020 challenge. And this was an open collab that we introduced back in January, so just about 3 months ago. And what we did was we challenged you and ourselves to make ourselves a better version of ourselves, be it through diet, exercise, and whatever that looks like for you for a healthier lifestyle. And each month we've been coming back to you at the first of each month since then to give updates on where we are. And so I am here with the third update. And this one is just to give, or at that time when we talked about this, our thought was that this would be entitled My Healthy Journey Second Month. We were going to share our weight loss, side-by-side photos or measurements, whatever it is that you want to show where your progress has been. And we should share our successes, how we achieved it, and also include a healthy recipe or meal in this video. And we should mention, of course, our hosts, which we are the hosts for this one. So we'll mention our names and how you can participate in the challenge. So that was the thought back in January, and wow, how things have changed. So I can say that for me, I always looked at this as a healthy journey. My focus wasn't so much on weight, although I did set a goal in my mind that I did want to lose weight. And I've been, staying true to that and trying to focus on that. But my whole thing was to just have a healthier lifestyle in general. And so that's kind of been my focus over the last couple months. But this last month, things have dramatically changed. And what that means to me and what that looks like to me has changed so much. Our lives as we know it have been forever changed because of COVID-19. So now, for the last month, I've still been trying to get in my walking as much as possible and things like that because I can't go to the gym because of COVID-19. The gyms are closed. We cannot, we're doing the social distancing thing. And so I've been trying to get in the walks as much as possible, but I've also been suffering with allergies. So that's been a struggle in and of itself. But more importantly, it's about how we have to survive. And so that is now a part of my healthy journey, going to the stores and making sure that I have my gloves on, but also not just having on gloves for the sake of having gloves, because you still have to handle those gloves very carefully because you're touching things in the store that other people have touched. And so you have to remember to take those gloves off carefully. First of all, when you take them off, you're, peeling them off and making sure that your hands don't touch the insides of the outsides of those gloves and disposing of them properly. Still using hand sanitizer, washing hands for a minimum of 20 seconds with warm, soapy water. Also, wiping off your groceries before you bring them in the house with, I use Clorox wipes. So what I've been doing is taking my Clorox wipes, they're in my car, and I'm wiping them off as I put them into the car, as well as the bags, the grocery bags. So I wipe off each of the items and the bags, and I've been limiting bringing the bags in the house. I'll just throw them away outside. So I've been doing that, and now I'm reading that you should also not bring your shoes in the house, or if you do, you should be spraying them with alcohol or Lysol or something like that, the bottoms of your shoes, because this virus can live on shoes, on the bottom of your shoes for 5 days. So I've been listening to a lot of the medical reports and just trying to do everything that they say. It cannot hurt. And that's the way I'm looking at it. It's a lot of information coming at us, but in order to have this healthy lifestyle. Now we have to be able to adapt. And what that means for a healthy lifestyle for me is being flexible and doing what you need to do to keep up with your current situation. So that's kind of where my focus has been this month, not so much on, the weight loss. However, there is good news on that front. I have lost a net total of 4 pounds. So in my last update, I had lost 2 pounds, and I actually, at the beginning of March, had gained those 2 pounds back, but now I have lost those 2 pounds and an additional 2 pounds. So 4 pounds lost, yay. I'm happy about that. But, back to what my focus has been. It has not really been on the weight loss as much, because if I hadn't lost anything, that's not as important right now as being healthy and listening to what these doctors are telling us about this coronavirus and making sure that we keep our families safe and healthy. That's what it's all about. So I anticipate that for the next month, my update, hopefully there will be a weight loss there as well. But if it's not, as long as I come back and I can say that I'm healthy, my family is healthy, then all is well. And it has been a successful challenge for me. Okay, so now it's time for the May update, and I was just reflecting back on the April update, and I can come back and say that I'm healthy, my family is healthy, and so I'm grateful for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the challenge. So yeah, I have been this last month just totally lost it. Started craving sweets, which is something I never, ever, ever do. But anyway, I've gotten that together and got that cheesecake spirit out of my life right now. And the damage was that I gained 3 of the 4 pounds that I lost back. So a net loss of 1 pound, wonk wonk, since the beginning of the challenge. But I'm okay, because like I said, it was never about it. The focus wasn't the weight loss. It was more about living a healthy life. And so I am definitely trying to do that each and every day. Trying to still get my walks in and changing my scenery with my walks. Now I'm finding that, because all I can do basically is walk outside if I want to get out and get some fresh air and exercise, but I'm getting bored with my, surroundings. So I kind of go to different trails or whatever where I can, as long as I'm able to socially distance. So that's going to be my focus continuing on. So I have to address the fact that, we missed a month, the host. Terrible, I know, but we had personal things going on in both of our lives and were unable to upload in April. And so we tried to send out communication to extend the update till May, but we recognize that some people did not get the message. So apologies again for that. However, what we're going to do is Marilyn and I are going to continue. We hope that you will continue with us through June with this healthy journey, and we will upload again. This was to be our final upload, but we're going to upload one more in June. And we hope that you will too. However, we know that we communicated at the beginning of this challenge that May will be the last month and that there will be a giveaway. So we talked about it and decided that it wouldn't be fair to make the requirement that you had to upload through June now in order to be in the giveaway. So now what we're going to do is anyone that has participated from the beginning, uploaded videos, thank you so very much. Your names will be entered into a drawing, and we will announce that drawing. I believe we said May 10th. So we will have separate videos, one on Marilyn's channel, one on mine, announcing the winners of the challenge. We absolutely hope that you'll continue on with us. I know for me, it has helped to know that this challenge is out there to kind of keep me under control as much as I've been under control. It helps a lot just to have that accountability. So we do hope that you will continue to come along on this journey with us. And I've learned so much from watching your videos. I've enjoyed your videos. I finally was able to get caught up on them, and it's some really, really good stuff out there. So if you're watching this video for the first time and you're not familiar, this is a Jumpstart challenge that we started back in January. I will link that playlist in the description box below so that you are able to check that out if you want to get caught up, if you're looking for a lifestyle change for yourself or diet or exercise ideas. These ladies that have participated with us have been phenomenal. So thank you so very much again for watching. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and that you will come back again next time and check out what I'm doing over here on the channel. Until then, bye now. Now the recipe I'll be sharing is for a taco salad. All I do with this is some ground turkey or ground beef, whatever meat you want to use. Put your taco seasoning in it and then put it in some lettuce. I count out my tortilla chips. I put cilantro, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of sour cream, jalapenos, and I love a little bit of Catalina dressing. That gives it that sweet and tangy taste along with the salsa, and it is delicious. Now you can make this as low-cal as you want by lightening up on the sour cream and the chips, but it is a very fast go-to meal, which I love. I love Mexican food, so I make this on the go. Thanks for watching.